Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, multifunction display, child safety locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2, trip odometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.